Hi, this is Jamaica Good Life, and this is Gaza and Bolton. We want to thank Janet for supporting the Jamaica Good Life farmers in their plowing for their next planting of sweet potato. Janet, thank you. This support is coming from you, and we really appreciate that you sent the support for these gentlemen. That's to you, Gaza, in order to do your second plowing of your potato. Continue the good work. And Bolton, this is for you. So I want you guys to thank Janet for her support.
Thank you, Janet, for the support, and I really appreciate it. To give her strength on the Jamaica Good Life team. And we're going to do our best and show us that we can do everything.
Yeah, man, I want to thank you, Janet, for everything. Yeah. Anyway, you heard me. Yeah, man, thank you, Janet.